Welcome back to iAskTech. In this video, I will show you how to delete your playlist from YouTube. So first of all, open the YouTube Studio from top right icon and click on the YouTube Studio. Now from here, click on the playlist and here find out the playlist that you want to delete. In my case, I want to remove this playlist with the name testing. So just open that playlist, click on that, and here on this playlist, click on these three dots. Here you will find a button saying delete playlist. Just click on that and it will show you a confirmation dialog. Just click on the delete button and done. It has removed the playlist. If you reload this page, you will see this playlist has gone. So this was very easy as you saw. And in case if you don't know how to create a playlist, then I already have recorded a video for you where you can learn how to create YouTube playlists. So just go to my YouTube channel and play this video. You will learn how to create this playlist. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for all upcoming videos in future. See you later. Bye.